In order to share photos and videos with a loved one, simply navigate to the Shared menu in the mobile app. Sharing is a two-step process. First, we need to upload. First, click on either photos or videos depending upon what you would like to share, and then click Add. If you need to use your camera to take a new photo or video, click Camera. If you have a previously taken photo or video you would like to use, click Gallery. From here, select a photo or video on your mobile device that you would like to share. Then if you want, you can give it a title or description and then click Continue. When the app says Success, you know it has been uploaded successfully. The second part of the process is sharing the newly uploaded picture or video. Simply click on what you would like to share and click Share. Locate the account principal you would like to share this with and click Share. When you see Success, the photo has been successfully shared. To unshare, simply click on the photo or video, then tap the X next to the person's name you would like to unshare with and clicking Yes to confirm. To completely delete a photo or video, click on what you would like to have completely removed, then click Remove, clicking Yes to confirm the decision.